How to set job preferences on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this informative video, I'll guide you through the process of updating your job preferences on LinkedIn. So to get started, simply open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn website. Once you're there, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now look for the Me icon in the top right corner of the screen, which you can find in the upper right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on it, and this will lead you to a drop-down menu where you will want to select the option that says Settings and Privacy. After clicking on that, you will find yourself in the Settings section. Look to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Data and Privacy option. That is between the visibility and advertising data. Click on it. Now that you're in the right area, scroll down a bit until you come across this section labeled as Job Seeking Preferences. This part of the page contains several tabs that you can explore depending on what specific changes you wish to make regarding your job preferences. So you can click on relevant tab that aligns with your needs, and this is a place where you can effectively manage and change your job seeking preferences to better fit your career aspirations. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can set job preferences on LinkedIn. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. How to enable restricted mode on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's YouTube video, I'll show you how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to youtube.com and then log into your account by clicking on sign in. And once you're logged in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, scroll down and find the restricted mode option. That is between the language and location option. Click on it. You can click this option to turn on restricted mode on or off. If it's off, it will appear gray, and if it's on, it will turn blue. You can also lock restricted mode by clicking the slider again, and this feature requires your Google account password to unlock it, which is useful for parents who want to prevent their kids from changing the settings. And by simply sliding the toggle to the right, you can enable the restricted mode easily. Now the restricted mode is activated on your YouTube application, and that is exactly how you can enable restricted mode on YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.